Hi, I'm Gary Hatley II. I'm the Business Operations Manager here at ICS. A little bit about our company, Innovative Control Solutions, also known as ICS. We're a Texas-based systems integrator and a Rockwell automation solutions partner. We provide critical process and safety control solutions along with many other services, and we're going into our 25th year of business. We have historically served the energy sector in oil and gas, LNG, utility power, and industrial energy. Additionally, we've successfully diversified into renewables, food and beverage, campus energy, and mission critical. There are several things that differentiate us from our competitors and other SIs, such as proven experience on a multitude of critical process and safety applications. Our successful experience with supplying control systems globally, and also adhering to various agency approvals for each country and region. And we also place a significant emphasis on customer service and quality that's resulted in repeat business for 25 years now. I think one of the things that we can offer a customer after a project has been completed or a startup has been completed is that we're not going to just abandon them after that, right? We're going to continue to support them. We're going to have ongoing support in the field, whether it's remote monitoring. And we also help them out troubleshooting afterwards as well. You know, we stick with our customers and we support them for the long run. And also we are not constrained by any geographical boundaries. So that's very attractive to our customers as well.